Hi, this is Avinash. I am here to give you in detail about FSMS ISO 22000-2005. Being a pest controller, you are well aware of me. From 20 years I am with you in the industry. You must have seen me many times in home, hotel, hospital industry. Several times we used to work in. We see everything that is pest, pesticide and the food audit. I want to tell you, being a team member in food audit, what I have learned and what I have understood. Food safety has very crucial role in our lives. The food safety will open you a very big door of opportunities, just not in India but worldwide. We are growing very fastly. It's a time to invest your knowledge and skill in this form of ISO 22000, food safety, the standards. Understanding these safety standard and the best practices will not only ensure the well-being of your customer but also set yourself as a part in market. If you are ready to take your career to next level and explore the world of entrepreneurship, why you are waiting for? Why not to join us? Join BareFooter School. Learn the standard and get in touch with the world. How food safety training can benefit you and how your business can grow up. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to food safety. Thank you.